Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tenza Motorsports. Today we are going to be doing our giveaway, and I'm also going to be showing off the power of SuperCleans. So these are some dirty riding boots, and if you're confused why I've got riding boots here, well, the S on the end of Motorsports, for Tenza Motorsports, that was not an accident. I did have plans in the day because I was motorboating and dirt biking and riding razors and things like that to record other content, but the BMW stuff kind of took off, and that's the easier stuff to record. If you don't have like a team with you recording you while your dirt bike, it's difficult to make content like that. So these are my riding boots, and I have cleaned them never. I don't think I think I've washed them off with a hose once or twice, but I've never like cleaned them. So these are 2015, 2016 is when I bought these boots. They've been fantastic. They're Comp 5 Fox Racing boots, and I'm going to today clean them up with some SuperClean, and then we will be announcing the winner here in just a moment. One other thing before we get into that is I did want to talk about, this was an experience I had a couple days ago. I was helping a buddy work on a car, and I was absolutely filthy, like disgusting, all the way up to my all the way up to my elbows, basically, getting underneath this car and replacing a crank position sensor. And all he had was some SuperClean, and it was this stuff here. So this is the concentrate that you would dilute down if you were working on other items. And holy crap, it burned. So be really careful when you're using this stuff. It is very powerful. I've always said that, you know, you gotta be careful using it, and you know, people, okay, yeah, well, if you put this stuff like directly on like leather or I don't know what other delicate items you'd be washing, you could destroy those items. I had it on my arms, my forearms, and they started to burn. It cleaned them. I looked like I had just gotten out of the shower and all cleaned up, but yeah, it probably wasn't a very good idea. So anyways, don't put it on your skin. Don't do what I did, but I just thought I would share that quick story with you that it does work very well. So let's get into the winner. So if this is the first time you're hearing about it, make sure you are following us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports, where we do giveaways. Oftentimes for SuperClean, as long as you live in the continental 48 United States, you are eligible to win. All you have to be doing to be part of giveaways, including the SuperClean ones, we've done others like ECS tuning, sent us a gift card one time. So there will be other items that we'll be doing. In order to be part of that, all you have to be doing is following us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports, and you will be automatically entered into all of our potential giveaways. So our winner today is Devin Wilrye. Wilrye? Hopefully I'm saying this right. Congratulations. That is our winner. I'll be reaching out to you, and we'll make sure to get your address and get that sent out to you. So again, if you're interested, make sure that you are following us on Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. All right, so the rest of the video is not gonna be anything too crazy. So what I'm gonna be doing is using this to clean the boots. This is probably my favorite when it comes to like the ease of use, because you just spray it. You don't have to sit there and pump your finger forever getting it out of the bottles. There are times where the bottles, there's a foaming spray that's really nice too that I like, but this one's probably my favorite just kind of overall. But we're going to be washing these with this and a toothbrush, and that's it. All right, well, I wasn't going to do any more talking in this video. I was just going to do some time lapse, but I just have to stop and say that, well, I've forgotten what these boots are supposed to look like. This is the cleanest I've seen them in a very, very, very long time. So it's just, I just find it crazy. This is 5 minutes with a toothbrush that was going to get thrown away that I was like, yeah, I'll take it out to the garage, and some SuperClean. Like, I think I scrubbed it for like 5.5 minutes. And then I rinsed it off with some water. So it's still a little wet, which is why it's kind of glossy, but shy of a few parts where the toothbrush can't reach, like down into this logo up here and into some of these buckles. It looks absolutely fantastic. So thanks again so much for watching, and make sure to be following us, Instagram, Tenza_Motorsports. Thanks.
Bam!